So hello everyone once again. So first of all, of course, welcome to my blog. Welcome to my fitness journey on my channel. And of course, actually yung original sound niya guys is I muted because ang lakas kasi ng sound ng sa gym. So masisipir ang aking video. So I try to mute all the original sounds. So instead, I do my voiceover again. So again and again, welcome to my blog ni Sus. And today's sharing video is I'd like to share about my workout inside the gym. So if you guys remember correctly, I did my workouts. It's been a year and I started to do workout only on my place, I mean on my apartment. So by this time, I tried to enroll in the gym for 1 month. So let's see how it's gonna be. Because I think it's still good when you try to new environment, new surround to doing your workout. And at the same time, there's a lot of gym instructor or some equipment to use it during your workout season. So it's really huge area guys. I just like to show you around, and by this time I do my slow walking, and after that, after 30 minutes of slow walking, I did also run, but I make it faster. So yun yung aking first na ginawa during the time kasi mas maganda kasi mag-exercise din talaga kasi hindi ka nga pagpapawisan ka talaga. So, yan yung pangpapawis ko, yung nag-running muna ako, nag-slow walking, and at the same time nag-running. Marami kang pwedeng gawin inside kasi ang laki ng area and marami kang pwedeng palit-palit mo siya pwede kang mag-choices ng kung anong gusto mong gawin inside the gym. Yun ang pagkakaiba when you are outside in indoor workout, yung ibig sabihin sa bahay lang. So, ayun, nag-try lang guys. It's really good feelings actually. And of course, first na talagang pinaka-main reason kung may share his is yung I'll continue my healthy journey. It's not only because about the gym or what. Even though wala ako sa gym, I still work out in my home. Kasi it's really important also guys that we focus our health. Of course, isa yan sa pinaka-main reason ko kung bakit I'll keep continue about my workout. So, ayun, yun lang ang aking sharing is a healthy tip kasi very important talaga yung mayroon tayong exercise sa katawan natin. And of course, aside sa nag-exercise din ako guys, of course, I also try my regular healthy food every my meal, breakfast, and lunch and dinner. So, of course, para sa akin kasi, it's very important yung sa breakfast. So, most of the time, I could share on my mini blog also about my simple and healthy breakfast. Hindi talaga nawawala ang aking boiled eggs and of course chicken, yan. And I really avoid to eat red meat or something. Basta hindi ako mahilig sa meat. Mahilig lang ako sa chicken, sa fish, salmon, and that's it. And of course, more on salad. So, yun ang aking talagang naka-focus ako guys sa aking to keep it my healthy lifestyle. So, kasama na din yun ng pag-workout. So, ito naman yung nag-running na talaga ako dyan. I think it was a different day or I don't know, it's the same. Kasi, yung kasi ngayon lang ako nakapag-update ng aking mga isi-share na video. So, ayun lang guys ang aking sharing kasi aywan ko lang. Sa iba kasi parang sasabihin nila yung basta para sa akin, I really love to do my workout. I really enjoy it. And I don't mind kung although it's been tiring guys, seriously speaking, it's been tiring and minsan hinahabol ko lagi yung time ko sa sa aking anak, sa aking alaga, sa aking mga alaga paghatid ko sa school. But I still feel grateful despite I feel tired, I feel exhausted sometimes because of that. Mahirap din mag-workout guys, to be honest, kasi yung time talaga hahabulin mo. Ako, most of the time, so if you observe guys, I've been so busy. So ito naman yung area ng sa loob na ng ng gym. So marami talaga siya guys. And during the time, I was so lucky kasi nung nagbi-video ako guys, there's no a lot of people. I think because when I do this one, it's Sunday and it's afternoon I go there. So there's no a lot of people around it. So, ayun. Kaya walang madaming tao. Pero kung morning ako nag-start ng gym dyan, siguro ang daming tao. Kasi most of the time, people are go in the morning. So, in the afternoon, kaunti na lang pumupunta. So, yan lang guys. Ang ganda ng it's so clean and it's so huge area talaga. Madami kang mapagpipili ang pwede mong gawin. I really enjoy it, to be honest. I'm so grateful. Actually, gusto kong mag-live ng i-live ko sana ulit. Pero, some people don't really like to show on the screen. So, iniiwasan ko na lang. Kasi minsan, nag-video ako ng short video. May nag sa akin na, alisin daw yung ibig sabihin sa akin lang ba makapokus. Kaso lang minsan hindi naman natin maiwasan na minsan nakaka-captured yung iba. So, hindi na lang ako nag-live. Kaya nung nag-live ako one time, okay naman yung signal ko. Pero most of the time, hindi magandang signal sa loob. So, ito yung running area. Ang dami. So, kahit pwede kayo magsabay-sabay. So, yan lang ang napakaganda pag nasa loob ka na talaga ng gym. Kasi, you have a lot of choices that you can do workout. What make you feel great, what make you feel happy, then you do it. Kasi ako ganun ako eh. And talaga nagbababad ako guys sa gym pag during Saturday and Sunday. Minsan inaabot ako dyan 3 hours inside the gym or more than 3 hours pa. So, mayroon din sa loob, ito yung mga siya, pero mayroon siyang private mga nagtuturo sa kanila. So, I don't know. I didn't ask about it. Kasi parang ayaw ko kasi yung parang mayroon pa ako sa akin. So, I really enjoy to be work out alone by myself. So, anyway, I have knowledge also what I supposed to do. Kung ano yung gusto mong gawin during workout. So, yun lang din ang aking kagandahan talaga pag ka sa loob ng gym. Kisa yun, compared naman yung sa loob ka lang ng mo. Pero of course, I really enjoy also na I've been so do exercise on my apartment for I think more than a year if I remember correctly. So talagang I keep continuous yung aking pag-workout. Hindi lang dahil talagang gusto mong ipang live, no. I just keep continue my healthy journey kasi sabi nga yan, love yourself more than anything. Kasi walang ibang magmamahal sa sarili natin is ourselves. Din tayo din mismo. Kung sabi nga yan, kung pabayaan mo ang sarili mo, then of course, you will be also, magsasuffer ka din yan. So, ayun. Yun lang ang aking sharing Mrs. Vlog about my healthy journey, my healthy food, and I hope you guys are support always on my channel, support us always on my video, and I do really appreciate everyone na palagi din nakasupport sa aking channel, and of course to all my friend around in YouTube. So, yan lang ang sharing ni Sos. Ito naman, nag-slow climbing ako nito. Ito na yung last ko, I think. Yeah, I correctly. Slow climbing ang tawag dyan eh. Yung para kang nag-i-step sisters. Pero yan, medyo mahirap kasi yung pag-apak mo talaga. Ang bigat yung niya. So, it's a bit difficult. Pero carry naman. Kayang-kaya naman, guys. So, ayun lang. I really enjoy it, guys. And kaya, kung mapapansin nyo, nabibisi si Ate Sus nyo. So, talagang, sinusulit ko yung pag-exercise ko na inside the gym and at the same time, ayun din kasi, for the first reason is, wala din naman ako. Dapat, no, pero actually, may ba ako? Pero actually, this gym kasi, recently lang siya nag-open. I think 3 months ago. This gym na malapit sa apartment ko at malapit din sa work ko. Kung na-remember nyo yung nakwento ko na may mag-open ng mall, yun. So, sumabay din sila nag-open inside the, kaya ngayon lang ako nakapag-try dyan sa gym na yan. Kasi, Bago lang talaga yan guys, bago lang. Kaya before wala pa ako nakapag-enroll dyan. Kung alam ko lang na meron ganyan, kung meron pa siya noon pa, I really started long time ago. So, ayun, ito naman sana to. Hindi ko pala na-join yung ibang part yun sa kabila. So, I think by next time. May plano pa mag-part 2, no? So, ayun, ang aking voice